Hi everybody, welcome back to Sean's World. Now before I get started in today's video, I've got a very special important announcement to make, and that is the creation of a new website. Yep, welcome to seansworld.com. It'll be like a central hub for all my social media outlets, my Etsy shop, most importantly new creation of a blogging section. Now that will be overseen by my son Tom. He's a fabulous writer. He'll be doing all the research and all the technical stuff on that side of it, so head on over to www.welcometoseansworld.com. Right, let's get this video underway. So I've just took a short drive to a beautiful little medieval town called Domfront, and it's the Bastille Day today, so there's celebrations going on. There's a vide grenier here, great atmosphere normally here, so let's go and see what we can see. Hopefully I can find some goodies as well. Already I can smell the sausages cooking, always a good start. No luck yet. Early days. Let's go and have a look inside that beautiful church. So I'm just in the medieval part of the town now. Sam should be around here somewhere. There's a warren of alleyways, little pathways and roads going off everywhere. It's really an interesting place, so hopefully I'll find her. Hello.
Hello.
What have you found?
Oh, I've got a nice little cupboard, look.
Lovely.
It's a spice cupboard. Yes. And we got, oh yes, we found one you missed.
Yeah, canal mould.
Yeah.
Sweet, isn't it?
And also, tiny little tea strainer. Yes. So cute.
That's sweet.
With a teapot. It's silver plated. You wouldn't know it, but once we've cleaned it up.
Yeah.
Oops.
Maybe check that out in your shop. Is that heading for the shop or home?
That's heading for the shop.
I'll put the link in the description.
Yes, that'd be good. Thank you.
And I've just seen something absolutely lovely, so I'm going in to get it.
Have you? What did you say?
So sorry I couldn't film where I was just purchasing those last couple of pieces. Lady didn't want to be on camera, but I'll share it with you once I get back to the car or back home. I think now is time for a cup of coffee, so let's find a baker's, get some pastries, take them to the cafe, sit down, and me breakfast.
La pâte à croissant avec de la crème d'amande.
Il
veut un chauffeur deux
comme ça.
Ah oui.
Bonjour madame.
Je vais finir ça avant.
Deux pain au chocolat s'il vous plaît. C'est tout, merci. Sam's gone ahead and got the coffees in, so let's go and meet Sam and Lynn. Right, outside or inside? Inside. Yeah? Oh, sit outside then. Okay. Yeah.
Alright, I'll just leave them there. If the lady comes out get 3 coffees and I'll get you a, what do you want, a pan of chocolate?
I've got one here.
Oh, you've got one?
Yeah. So it's a lighter.
Yeah. Bakelite.
Bakelite.
That's unusual.
That's very unusual, yeah. Great. And what's the glasses? They look
These are
stylish.
Perrier glasses, and sometimes Perrier used to commission artists, well, lots of French
Designers, yeah.
designers to do special designs. So I've got to do a bit of research on those. But they're very nice.
They are indeed. And I've got to do a bit of research on this Pinot chocolate.
Yes.
Merci, madame.
It's a lovely coffee, isn't it?
Lovely.
Super.
So I'm back home now. I'll get set up on the bench and I'll talk you through what I got. On second thoughts, I think I'll set up under some shade because it's so hot. It's coming up to 90 degrees, so I know the weather's been terrible all around the world, so take care in the hot weather. Sit in the shade if you can, not the direct sun. So I think I'll move everything off of here. It's a bit too bright as well. I'll get it over there in the shade. Here we go. Oh, this one's heavy. Right, here we have a fish kettle. Lovely planishing around the outside. That's all those individual hammer marks that's been made on that. Superb interior. I don't think it's had hardly any use whatsoever. A little bit of work to bring it back to its former glory, but a really good weight, so that is a lovely buy. This one is what Sam and her mum bought. I think it come out of the baker's, the boulangerie close by, so that's for cutting your baguettes and bread. That'll clean up lovely. I dare say I'll get the job of that one. And I always buy these when I see them, roasting tins, roasting pans, trays. This one's an enamel one, not copper, but probably keep that for myself for barbecues, things like that. That was that. And then I bought this fabulous piece. Great artistry in this. You know, it's all done with a little hammer and formers by an artisan. Super tin interior. Now that can be used for lots of things outside, barbecuing, you know, keeping things warm, cooking in them. Primarily what it was for is if you ever spit roasted any meats, chickens or anything like that, you'd put your vegetables in the bottom, and basically it's for catching the fat. But back in the day they'd put potatoes in there next to the barbecue or the fire. All the fats would drip on that and roast your potatoes lovely. Not done that yet myself. I do plan to do that with a barbecue. I've got a rotisserie which we sometimes do chickens on, so maybe if I get set up we'll actually put this to the test. Keep promising myself. So yeah, we'll do that soon. Yeah, lecky frit. I know all those that can speak French will be screaming at the camera now. It's not spelt like that or pronounced like that, but I don't care. Right, on to the next thing. Cool. Now this is quite an unusual piece. Very heavy chocolate pot or a coffee pot. I haven't had a chance to look at it. I've literally just picked this up. I knew it was good when I see it on the stall. Not got a handle for the lid. I'd say that's early to mid 1800s, so that was quite a find. Of course it needs some polishing up, as does everything I normally buy. But yeah, great item, very unusual. And these are bread boards. It's got a Souvenir de Lourdes, so that's the church, the Lourdes church, can't even pronounce that. And then it's got the inscription around the outside. I think it's a prayer. So they're great pieces. I think this is burnt on. So yeah, all this will soon be cleaned up and heading off over to Mites's shop. So once I get that cleaned up, maybe I'll share some pictures with it once I get it all polished up, so you can see the transformation. But yeah, quite a good haul. So it was great atmosphere there in the lovely medieval town. So yeah, lots of things going on. And talking of which, in that actual town, I think sometime in August, I'll give you the dates closer to the time when it's on, is a medieval festival. They do jousting, horse jousting, and lots of other events there. I've been to it before. It's a great thing. I haven't filmed it, so that will be an exclusive one for me, and I'll share it with you. So don't forget, if you haven't already, hit the reminder and the bell, all those things you have to do, and subscribe so you don't miss any of these up and coming videos. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye for now.